I think staying healthy is all about the little decision we make each day. Juicing is an easy and tasty way to get more nutrients, help your digestion, and strengthen your immune system. In this video, I will show you 3 really simple juice recipes to help you stay healthy. You'll need a juicer for all this, but not all juicers are created equal. There are different types with different pros and cons and price points. So if you are new to juicing, I suggest doing some research to find one that works for you. This green juice is great. It is good to drink it for breakfast or after a workout for an energy boost. It's detoxifying, cleansing, and packed nutrients. Use an apple, kale, spinach, lemon, ginger, and sometimes a green powder. Depending on your juicer, you may need to chop ingredients. This recipe is perfect for beginners, full of nutrients and delicious. It's a great way to boost your immune system during cold and flu season. Drink up to prevent or recover from sickness. Use 1 big orange or 2 smaller ones, 4 carrots, 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, and a small piece of turmeric. If you don't have fresh ginger or turmeric, you can use powder instead. Just a pinch of each should do the trick. Some people juice their citruses whole, but it is better to peel to avoid any change in taste. Chop everything up and toss it in the juicer. This juice is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, great for boosting your immune system. Pineapple is totally one of my favorite fruits. It's got that perfect mix of sweet and tangy, plus it's super refreshing. When you are in the mood for hydrating juice, this should be your go-to recipe. 1 cup of fresh pineapple, 1 medium cucumber, 2 to 3 celery stalks, and 1 lime. Just chop everything up, juice it, and you are good to go. I recommend using organic fruits and vegetables for juicing, but if that's not an option, just make sure to wash everything really well. This juice is perfect for hot summer days or when you need a pick-me-up. If you are into easy, healthy recipes, let me know your favorite juice recipe in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.